Today, we're excited to share a fascinating video with you. This video delves into the production process of the plastic rope, or bond, used to weave the traditional charpai. The first step is to unspool this plastic strip from its original reel and load it on a metal roll. This initial step is conducted using a roll winder machine. The roll winder organizes and wraps the strip on a metal roller, preparing it for the following stages. As this strip is wound onto the roller, it ensures that each layer is neatly arranged so that further processes can proceed without any hitches. Using the roll winder, multiple rolls of the plastic strip are prepared to ensure a steady supply of material for the next step. Once a sufficient number of rolls are ready, they are moved to the next machine in the production line called the rope winder. The rope winder machine is the key player in this process. It's here that the plastic strip transforms into a durable rope. The machine accommodates two rolls, each loaded with plastic strip. First, one roll is set up and the machine begins rotating the strip. Through a combination of twisting and coiling, it shapes the plastic strip into a round, rope-like form. Then, the second roll is placed in the machine, where it undergoes the same transformation. This dual operation allows the machine to twist both strips simultaneously, bringing them together to form a single, thick plastic rope. This part of the process is crucial as the machine's guides and rollers control the tension, pressure, and alignment to ensure a tightly bound rope. The machine ensures the strips don't unravel or become loose, creating a sturdy, finished rope. As the two twisted strips are brought together, they pass through a guiding bar, aligning them as they twist into the final rope form. With each twist, the plastic strips are tightly woven, ensuring that the rope is durable and can withstand the weight and wear it'll face when used in a charpai. The rope moves steadily through the machine, shaping into the desired thickness and roundness. The machine operates at an impressive speed, running up to 1,400 rotations per minute. This high speed is essential for producing a tightly wound, durable rope. As the newly created rope passes through the guiding bar, it moves toward an empty roller position in front of the bar. This empty roller serves as the final collection point, where the rope is wrapped continuously as it is produced. Once the roller accumulates enough rope achieving a specific weight, the machine is stopped, and the filled roll is removed. A new empty roller is then attached, and the process resumes. The filled roll is then taken for a finishing step where it's weighed and organized according to specific standards. This attention to detail ensures that the rope meets the exact requirements for charpai weaving in terms of both weight and durability. Once complete, the plastic rope is ready for distribution and use in the traditional woven beds found in countless homes. This entire production process highlights how simple materials can be transformed into something integral to everyday life. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at how plastic rope is manufactured. If you enjoyed learning about this process, be sure to check out more videos on our channel for insights into other fascinating manufacturing journeys.